How often should you replace your HVAC unit? HVAC units last a long time. Typically, HVAC replacement is needed every 10 years. If you properly maintain your system, you might get 15 years out of it. But there will come a time when you will have to replace it. When you reach that point, it's best to consult with a knowledgeable and experienced HVAC contractor who can advise you. That's where we at Luxury Air come into the picture. You can rely on our 40 years of experience, that's for sure. We've earned an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau, a certified member of the Association of Directory Publishers, and we are also NATE certified. We would be honored to serve you. Give us a call at 936-703-2130 or visit our website at luxuryairtx.com.